Namaste Laborate viewers. Myself Dr. Ashish Gaikwad. I'm working in Kanakveda Ayurvedic Clinic as a managing director. We have a team which works on particularly obesity. We are going to discuss here about the obesity as well as how to control it and how to take a treatment, permanent treatment from the obesity. Generally it happens, people are taking the treatment for the weight loss, they got the result, and then after a certain period again they put on weight. What we are doing in case of the obesity is a disease, is a disorder which causes diabetes, high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, and therefore we have to control our weight. But several people are trying on that by the gymming or harsh dieting, but as soon as they stop, the weight gain start again. We have the unique program in which there is no need of surgery, there is no need of crush dieting, there is no need of gymming. Without these things, you can control your weight, you can get your proper weight according to your height. If you are obese or you are overweight, there are several issues comes with your diabetes, with your body pain, with your lethargy, and definitely with the obesity. If the person is obese, automatically he have a lacuna, he feel less confidence in him. But as soon as you get your proper weight according to your height, you are more confident and you can work more. In our program, we are not allowed them to do a crush dieting, gymming, or any type of surgery. Without this, your metabolic rate is increases. Just you have to take 3 times a day a small medicine, and this medicine is based on the Arka Shastra. Arka Shastra is a part of Ravan Sanhita. So you can see that this is a combination of several pathies, and this is the first time in India we are doing practice on nanotherapy, which is comes out from the Arka Shastra. Now in this treatment, what we do, we are just giving you a schedule in which you have to eat 3 times to 4 times, as well as whatever you want to eat, you can eat a plenty of fruits as plenty of food, but you can digest it. Just we are giving this treatment for few months, and then after you can start your regular diet. This is the uniqueness of this therapy, or this is uniqueness of this program, that you can do an online consultation. What you have to do, you have to just call us through Laborate, and you have to just take we will take your case history, and according to your case history, as per person, we will create the medicine and send you courier to at your place. Thank you, Laborate. And you if you want to take a benefit of this program, directly call on Laborate to contact with us.